What's going on, guys? Mathieu Adams here, and we're touring a mid-century modern today in Southland Park. It's a 3-bedroom and an office, 2.5 bath, 2,500 square foot, fully remodeled. Let's get started. To give you an idea where we are, Southland Park is right here. You have Footbridge on the left side. We're in the Southland Park neighborhood. Here, this house is currently for sale for $1.15 million. It's a 3-bedroom and an office downstairs, 2.5 bath, has been remodeled beautifully, keeping the charm of the 1960s with this properly exposed beam on the inside. I love the red brick they have in the front here. I think you make it, especially with the contrast with the wood here, that make it very unique compared to the rest of the neighborhood. Some of them are like mated white, having the natural color of the brick sometimes make the house pop a little bit more compared to the rest. Like the one across the street, for example, is one of them. It's pretty much the same model, but this one has a fully, landscape. They can be beautiful in the front. So, love the paneling door with the frosted glass embedded into it. Very modern touch. And we're getting into the house now. So, kitchen to the right, they kept the pocket door, the reminiscence of the 50s. You have your electric cooktop here. Most of the kitchen has been updated. I would have changed probably the stove or double oven here, but the rest is actually pretty nice, a very good condition. Flooring, it's an original floor to the house. Step away from the kitchen for a second, you have your breakfast nook and a lot of storage for your plates and platters. Turn around. Like I say, you have an element to the 60s. It's been showcasing through an entire house here. With the exposed beam, they added modern touch with the LED light a little bit throughout. You have the huge fireplace that kind of see through and through that goes between the two living rooms. So you can have literally two atmosphere here, and you can have literally two TVs also on either side. So if you want to have a different movies going on, this house can accommodate to it. So lovely, lovely space and great use of it. And the fact they added the shelving and created a nice separation without compromising the light in this house. And I'll step outside. I want to show you the backyard, and then we'll go back inside. I think this house is ready for planters. It's ready for plants and a little bit everywhere. Your barbecue is already set up, and probably more of the. Maybe this can be turned into a fireplace. That would be a great spot for it. So, nice little backyard. I don't know if you can fit a pool here, but it's a nice space in the back. All right, let's continue. We have the bedroom that coming up on the right side here, passing through the second living space. We have downstairs is going to be your office. We're going to go over there in a second. Your first bedroom, very decent size with probably queen size bed here would be good. Second bedroom, about the same size as the first one. This house is 2,500 square foot. So you have a lot of room. Most of the room are very roomy and very usable for a bedroom. You have your first bathroom of the house here. And they use a natural stone on the floor. Single sink vanity, same stone, a larger towel in the back of the shower here. With it add a very nice neutral tone, so very, very good. The master or the primary suite, a king size bed right now with a lot of room, a lot of storage. Right here, another closet around the corner. And we have the master suite, single sink vanity. And look how beautiful this walk-in shower is, with same tile we've seen in the first bathroom and the same tile also in the backsplash here, in the back of it, so very nice. So this house has also an office downstairs, so people working from home is a great space for it. So we're gonna go downstairs, look at the actual room here. So nicely set up for an office. You have your laundry room right around the corner, and your half bath here. The two-car garage is there, so having an office here makes sense. Utilize most of the space in this house, and because you're on a different floor, you probably don't get the noise from upstairs when everybody is having a good time and you have to work on your report or whatever. So, but it's great, it's nice and quiet here, so for walking and having a walk from home, this would be a good idea. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of this Land Park property. If you have any question about this property or any property currently on the market in Land Park, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is in my email. It's right here. I hope you enjoyed this video tour, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!